Hi there, welcome to Seneca Learning. In this video, I'll show you how you can view the assignments that you've set for your students. We'll take a look at both single class assignments and multi-class assignments so that you know where to find everything that you need. Let's get started. You can view the assignments you've set for your students by heading to the Assignments tab in the navigation bar. From there, you can use the drop-down menu to select the classes you want to view and apply the date filters to see assignments due last week, this week, next week, or within a custom date range. You can see how many students completed it, how many are late, how many missed it, what is the assignment deadline, and what is the total average score for this class for this specific assignment. On Seneca, you can set multi-class assignments, which means one assignment delivered to multiple classes. You can view those in the assignments page and you see the title of the assignment, and underneath you see the names of all the classes that you assigned this homework to. You can also see the progress, deadline, and average score. Clicking on a multi-class assignment gives teachers access to study data for all students across those classes. The Classes tab shows the included classes along with their completion rates and average scores. Selecting the arrow on the right takes you to the class overview page for that specific class. The Students tab displays individual scores for all students across the classes. You can view students' study time and their scores on each of the topics included in the assignment. If you toggle to Exam Questions, you'll see exam questions results only. Teachers can also export results to Excel, edit the assignment, or share it with students by using the purple icons at the top.